Intermittent fasting, has emerged as a popular dietary approach that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This method is not only aimed at weight loss but also offers a variety of health benefits. Research indicates that intermittent fasting can enhance metabolic health by improving insulin sensitivity, lowering blood sugar levels, and promoting fat loss while preserving muscle mass. These physiological changes can contribute to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular conditions, making it a compelling option for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. One of the key advantages of intermittent fasting is its ability to trigger cellular repair processes. During fasting periods, the body initiates autophagy, a process where cells remove damaged components, which may help protect against diseases like cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. Furthermore, fasting has been associated with improved heart health by reducing inflammatory markers and enhancing lipid profiles. This suggests that intermittent fasting may play a significant role in promoting cardiovascular wellness. In addition to physical health benefits, intermittent fasting may also have positive effects on mental well-being. Studies have shown that fasting can enhance brain function and may even provide protective effects against age-related cognitive decline. This is likely linked to the increased production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports neuron growth and maintenance. As such, intermittent fasting not only aids in physical health but also contributes to mental clarity and cognitive resilience. Moreover, intermittent fasting can support gut health by positively influencing the microbiome. Research indicates that fasting can enhance the diversity of beneficial gut bacteria, which plays a crucial role in digestion and overall health. A healthy gut microbiome is associated with better metabolic outcomes and may help in weight management by regulating appetite and energy expenditure. While intermittent fasting offers numerous benefits, it is essential to approach it mindfully. Individuals considering this dietary pattern should consult healthcare professionals, especially if they have pre-existing health conditions. Although many people adapt well to intermittent fasting, it may not be suitable for everyone. Proper guidance can help ensure that the practice aligns with personal health goals and nutritional needs.